Like, if he was to watch this, what would you say to him?
Fuck you for fucking my best friend.
Back to my channel. As you guys read down below, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a public interview at the mall. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so you guys have exes, right?
Yeah.
So if your ex was to watch this, like, leave a message to your ex right now.
Oh, you're a bitch. You really did it like that, huh?
And what's the worst thing that you've done that your mom doesn't know about?
There's a lot of things.
Name one. Like the worst thing.
You say dumpster. That's it.
Dumpster?
What'd you say dumpster?
You did it, dumpster.
Dumpster?
You did it, dumpster. I don't know.
Name one. At least one.
I did it and then. Alright, it's time to go.
Okay, so I'm here with? Alright, so you guys have like girlfriends, like ex-girlfriends and stuff like that, right? Okay, leave a message to your ex. Alright, what's the worst thing you've ever done that your mom doesn't know about?
Took my car out. Like, someone's gonna listen.
She's not.
Yeah, my mom's gonna call my grandma. She's really.
I lost my mom's diamond ring.
You lost your mom's diamond ring?
That's not bad. It's called better.
Not bad?
What'd you do?
We don't talk about that.
Like mine's this here. I took all these guys from my car with them.
Oh yeah. I forgot to read my.
I got canned after that. Yeah, we got canned. That's okay.
Okay, the next question. What's your body count?
Oh my. I knew it. I knew it. Negative. I always watch these.
Y'all fucking virgins out here. You're trying to get laid, bro. Yeah, you guys are.
So you guys never?
You wanna be my first
Mine's
one?
one.
No.
Boy, if you don't get. Nah, we all virgin out here. No.
Nah, he a bitch.
Yeah.
He's a virgin.
Okay, so what's your body count?
Don't lie. Be honest. This guy.
2?
Okay, no, I know his
1?
body's there.
0?
Are you serious?
24, bro.
Look at this king. I don't talk about that.
Okay, thank
Stay
you.
off camera.
What is your?
Alright, so you guys have exes, right? Exes.
Yeah.
That's a liar. That's a lie.
Okay, leave a message to your ex. Alright, wait. Okay. What's the worst thing you've ever done that your mom doesn't know about? Okay, so you guys have like exes, right? Yeah. Okay, so leave a message to your ex. Like, if he was to watch this, what would you say to him?
Fuck you for fucking my best friend. Fuck you.
Okay.
Not good accent.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, so do you have an ex? Yeah. Okay, leave a message to her.
No, go.
Okay, come here. So, what's the worst thing that you've done that your mom doesn't know about? Like, the worst thing.
Worst thing?
Yeah.
I mean, she's looking around YouTube, so she must see me. I'm not trying to say too much.
Okay, say like something that's bad but not too bad.
Too bad. Body count. 7.
7?
Yeah, 7. How about you?
0?
That's cut right there.
7?
Yeah, 7. I mean, that's not too much.
Okay. Okay, here with? Okay, have you ever had a boyfriend? You have an ex? Okay, leave a message to your ex right now. Like, if he was to watch this, what would you say to him?
I honestly don't know.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know, because we're chilling, so I have no idea what to. I don't know.
Okay, what's the weirdest thing you've ever done that your mom doesn't know about? Okay, name one.
To be honest, I don't know.
Grace.
Alright, you guys have like boyfriends? You have exes? Okay, so if your ex was to leave like to watch this right now, right, leave a message to them.
Period.
Leave a message to your ex.
You don't talk about that. Just have a name in my mouth anymore.
Period.
Alright, so what's one thing that you've done that your parents don't know about? Name one.
I don't think they know. They like kind of live inside the house, but like I snuck out and I went to Wendy's at 3 in the morning and that's all.
How about you? Ooh, baddie, okay. Okay, thank you.
Lexi, Lily, Olivia.
Okay, do you guys have boyfriends or like exes?
I have exes. Yeah.
Okay, leave a message to your ex right now. Like, if he was to watch this, what would you say?
You toxic.
What would you say?
Stop being so awkward every time we see each other.
What would you say? Okay, what's one of the weirdest things that you've done that your mom doesn't know about?
Weirdest?
Or like the worst thing?
Drinking? I don't know. Say that. Mine's probably drinking and I didn't know. Like, I don't know. I don't really have probably drinking. Yeah, drinking.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so the first question is, you guys have exes, right?
No, I do.
Okay, leave a message to your ex.
I wish you the best. I'm happy and I hope you're happy too.
Period.
That's so nice. Okay, what's the worst thing that you've done that your mom doesn't know about? Nothing? Okay, what's your body count? Zero? Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I see you guys next video. I love you guys so much. Bye! Mwah.